In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your Replit app into Google Play Store. So first step is to open your app in Replit and then click on Publish button in top right corner. You need to publish your site. To do this, you need to upgrade your plan to be able to do it. And once your site is published, you can copy this URL. So copy your URL and go to Google and search for Convert Web App to Native App. You can find many sites which are able to do this. So let's say I'm going to choose appmysite.com. From here, click on Start for free. Then click on Create App. You can name your app. So for example, Replit Google Store. Then you need to choose Web to App. Paste your URL. Then click on Create App. You can choose your color scheme. Then from here, click on Preview. Here you can preview your site on mobile phone. Then click on Download. And from here, click on Build App under the Android app. Then click Build App again. This will start creating your APK file. So once you have that, you need to download it. And then once you have your APK file, click on Publish. And from here, you can publish it to Google Play Store. So click on Publish. This will open Google Developer Play Console. And here you need to sign in with your developer account. Or if you don't have one, you can create one. But keep in mind, there is one-time payment of $25. So once you have your Google Play developer account, you can upload your APK file. And then once the Google reviews it, you are going to be able to publish it on Google Play Store. So that's it. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.